Let me ask you a simple question. What is one thing or what is one skill which will make you successful in all aspects of life? Whether in profession, whether in your home life, whether as a parent, whether as a manager, whether as a worker, it will make you successful in your life. And that one thing, surprisingly, most of the people are not aware, that is the people skill और as we call it interpersonal skill और हिंदी में अगर बोला जाए तो एक दूसरे के साथ किस तरीके से बर्ताव करना है. This is the thing which can make you successful everywhere and anywhere. Now, how to become successful in this people skill or interpersonal skill? The first step is to understand the human nature and people. Now, when we say to understand the human nature and people, it simply means is कि कोई इंसान किसी भी सिचुएशन में किस तरीके से बिहेव करता है या कैसे बिहेव करता है और what does he do, why does he do that. If you understand this aspect, you will be very, very clear in dealing with the interpersonal skills or with the people skills. Now, firstly, you must understand that you must recognize the people of what they are and not what you think they are and not what you want them to be. So there is a difference. तो जैसे हैं उनको वैसे के वैसे you must understand. Don't start thinking कि वो कैसे बनेंगे या उनको कैसा होना चाहिए. Because if you start doing that, then you will fail in your interpersonal skills. Now the question comes is, why the people they behave in a certain way? Why two people behave in a different way? The simple answer is that people are primarily interested in themselves and not in you or not in anybody else. Or we can say that people are 10,000 times more interested in themselves than in anybody else. Or if vice versa, we say that you and me are more interested in ourselves than we are interested in other people. Why is it so? Because people are self-centered. They have their self-thought and they have their self-interest. एंड दिस ट्रेट, ये आदत इतनी पक्की है कि अगर हम किसी चीज को दान भी देते हैं, हम कोई चैरिटी भी करते हैं, तो हम चैरिटी इसलिए नहीं करते कि वो दूसरे को कोई फायदा हो रहा है. हम चैरिटी इसलिए करते हैं बिकॉज वी फील सेटिस्फाइड, वी फील प्लेजर, वी फील प्लीज्ड. That is the reason the people are doing charity also. This is the so dominant thought in ourselves, of our self-thought and of our self-interest. तो इसके लिए we don't have to feel embarrassed or we don't have to be apologetic about it. Because everyone in this world is working on this formula of self-thought and self-interest. This will keep on working till the end of the time. And it has been working since the beginning of the time. So what we have understood from this is that purely it is the self-interest and self-thought which governs our action. And if we understand this, then it will be better for us to make our skills in such a way that we deal with people in a way that the people are pleased and we interact with them and in such a way that we are able to motivate them, able to galvanize them into action. So in the last, I will say the most important thing or the key of the interpersonal relationship of the people skill is that everyone is interested in his own affairs. He is interested in his self-thought and his self-interest. Thank you. Jai Hind.